What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to do a Katy Perry tutorial. So, first you're going to need a mirror to make sure you don't mess up and get all sloppy, because that would be bad. You want to put it right next to you. Or somewhere. I'll put it right here. Put it right up here. Then you need some makeup wipes, because this might get a little messy. Put that over to the side. You also need some lotion, some pink lipstick, favorite lipstick. It's City Beamel. Beamel. I don't know how you pronounce it. You'll need some of those. You'll need a brush. And I already put sparkles on my eyes, as you guys can see. You guys can add sparkles, because I already did, because it was a little bit messy. And I need one more thing, actually two more things. Some Katy Perry perfume for short. As I already said, I already put the sparkles on, so you need that if you didn't put it on. Then you'll need some. It's Maywear. It's my favorite stuff. I actually got this all makeup yesterday, last night, and I really like it. So let's keep going. So first, you're gonna start with your perfume. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you just want to put it on your body. I'm sick, so sorry if I sniffle a lot. Next you're going to go with your lipstick. I'm just going to use a makeup wipe and clean this up a little bit. Next, you're going to take the lotion, put a little bit on your hand. Now, you can still smell the perfume, but if your lotion is still too strong, you can put another layer of that on. Next, you're going to go with the Maywear. Now these purples will not come off on me. So I'll just move this side up a little bit. Then you're gonna go with your palette. You're gonna go to your palette and pick out the best Katy Perry one. I reckon you do a pinkish purplish. So right here is my color that I'm gonna use for her look. And guys, remember the saying, a little bit goes a long way. So thank you guys so much for watching. So I hope you wanted it to turn out like you did. Sorry if it didn't, but this is my Katy Perry look. Go down in the comments, tell us how yours went, and say a huge thumbs up to everyone. Go down to the comments and to their messages and to their comment. Give them a huge thumbs up. And don't make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thank you. Bye.